Hello, first grade. This is Ms. Harmon. It is day 42, and I'm going to walk you through our activities for today. Please note that Zoom this week is on Tuesday and Thursday only. You will have a 9 a.m. class meeting, followed by 9:15 to 10 a.m. will be office hours. There will be no 1 p.m. Zoom for any first grade classes. No 1 p.m. Zoom, just 9 a.m. on Tuesday and Thursday this week. This is what day 42 looks like in your packet. For math, you want to share a rectangle with a friend. Cut out the rectangle on page 5 from day 41. Fold the rectangle in half, making 2 equal parts. Draw a picture of the halves in your math journal or on paper. Let's go over this. If you want to share a pizza with one friend, you could cut a pizza into 2 equal parts. Each part is called 1/2. 1/2 on this side and 1/2 on this side. But what if you wanted to share a pizza with 3 friends? Well, you can divide a pizza into 4 equal shares or 4 equal parts. We call each part 1/4. So you might have this fourth. This fourth can be for a friend. 1/4 can be for another friend. And the last fourth can be for another friend. We can also call each piece 1/4. So 1/4 is the same as 1/4 of the pizza. Here's your activity. You want to share a rectangle with 3 friends. Now grab that rectangle you cut out, unfold it, flatten it out. Sorry, friends. And now fold it into fourths, making 4 equal parts. Cut the fourths apart. Write your name on 1/4 of the rectangle and write your friends' names on the other 3/4 of the rectangle. Draw a picture of the fourths in your math journal or on paper. Here are some examples of shapes that are cut into fourths. A square divided into fourths, a circle partitioned into fourths, and a rhombus partitioned into fourths. Remember to have a fourth, the shape needs to be cut into equal parts, into 4 equal parts. Then you will complete the Envision practice problems for day 42 on page 7. Let's do number 3 together. For number 3, you have to shade 1/2 of each shape red. It says 1/2 red. So for example, this circle, you're going to shade in 1/2 red. This rectangle is already cut into 2 equal parts, and you are going to shade this one 1/2 red. Now let's look at the last part. 1/2 red. Oh, just one part. Does that look like 1/2 of the square is red? No. In order to show 1/2 of the square, we need to shade in 2 of these parts. So be really careful to make sure that you are showing 1/2 of the shape, not just one part. So you have to look really carefully at how many equal parts there are in each shape. Number 4, you will shade each shape 1/4 orange. Number 5, 1/4 green for these shapes. Remember that 1/4 is the same as 1/4. Number 6, each of these shapes will be 1/2 blue. For reading, watch the module video for day 42. The link is in the description below and also in the Daily Dojo message. Read or listen to the article, What Does School Mean to You? On pages 13 and 14. Think and talk. What do the people in the article say about learning at school? Write to describe what is important to learn at school on page 15. What does school mean to you? Use evidence from the text to support your thinking. Here is your question, friends. What is important to learn at school? Use details from the article in your answer. I want to show you something, friends. Look at this part of the question. Use details from the article in your answer. There is an S at the end of the word detail. That means that you need to write 2 or more details from where? From the article in your answer. 2 details that tell what is important to learn at school. You may use this sentence starter if you like by pausing the video now. At school, it is important to learn blank and blank. Remember, it needs to come from the article, friends. Word work. Please watch the video for day 42, linked below in the description box. Today is the day of the decodable text. You will read the text called Night Skies 3 times. Focus on reading smoothly with expression and at just the right speed. You could even use silly voices. Highlight the high frequency words in the text. Really, one, have, sometimes, through. Also highlight the words with the spelling pattern. IE says I and IGH says I. You may pause the video here and practice reading Night Skies now. For social studies, our topic is favors for family. Since mid-March, it has been difficult to see those we love who do not live in our house. Grandparents, cousins, and other family members have been missing seeing you and getting hugs. Who in your extended family will you choose to provide a service for today? Your activity. Choose a family member who does not live in your house to do something special for. What can you do to brighten their day? Some ideas might include mail them a letter, call and read them a bedtime story, FaceTime and sing them a song, or bake and send them a treat. What is their response to your service of kindness? There is an optional video below. Just click the link to watch it. For specials, you may pause the video now and choose one of these to do. We miss you so much, friends. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.